August 12, 2036, the heat death of the universe.
Yo, chat. Holy moly, dude. Heat death of the universe. The actual pog. Dude, wrap your 5 head around this all right. Like, it's gonna be like blam, boom. Everything's like shish. Gone, dude. Gone. Crank that Pepega mind of yours up to 100. It's like a huge juicer, straight up imploding, and everyone's like, yeah, XK, where'd the stars go, man? The whole universe gonna be black, like void black, okay? Like Xbox Series X black, deeper than the deepest deep dank abyss black, dude. No stars, no galaxies, like complete Pepega clap blackout, man. That's a solid juicer, right? And then there's nothing absolute.
Bro, ich will, sorry, Digga, das ist zu viel gerade.
Oder einfach nur